This public service announcement is about Huntington's disease.
Huntington's disease is an inherited brain disorder. The symptoms usually begin in the midlife from ages 30 to 45. The youngest it can occur is at age 2.
Some symptoms include depression, mood swings, forgetfulness, speech impairment, clumsiness, and involuntary movement.
It slowly affects the ability to walk, talk, and think.
Eventually, the person with Huntington's is unable to care for him or herself.
Huntington's is caused by a dominant gene which causes certain brain cells to deteriorate.
Each child of a person with Huntington's has a 50% chance of inheriting the disease-causing gene.
More than 250,000 Americans have Huntington's disease or are at risk of inheriting the disease from an infected person.
Well, Jenna, how can I be tested?
A blood test is available that can determine in almost all cases whether a person has Huntington's gene. This test cannot predict when symptoms will begin over the course of the disease.
Here are some tests doctors would recommend.
Pre-symptomatic testing is for people at risk. Confirmatory testing is used to determine whether people showing possible symptoms actually may have Huntington's disease. And last, prenatal testing is used to determine whether an unborn baby is at risk.
Are the results always accurate?
The accuracy of positive and negative results are almost 100%, provided that another family member is known to have the gene for HD. Positive test results cannot predict when the symptoms of HD will occur.
Some people may need to cut back on dairy products because the excess mucus increase the risk of choking.
In the UK, about 8 in 100,000 people have Huntington's. This comes out to be about 4,800 people. In Venezuela, Huntington's affects about 700 per 100,000 people.
Once the signs and symptoms begin, they will not stop until the person dies.
Cause of death is usually caused because of a fall or infection.
If someone you know has Huntington's disease, make sure they drink plenty of water or liquids, especially in warm climates.